Cummins Edwards, Chancellor of Judiciary. Honorable Anil Nanwal, General Secretary, Attorney General, and Minister of Legal Affairs. Something to come. Honorable Priya Manichan, Minister of Education. Honorable Madam Chief Justice, Alison Roxanne George, Mr. Shalimar Hack, Director of Public Prosecution, senior functionaries of the executive, the judiciary, and commissions and associations represented here today. Invited guests, members of the media, friends, a very good morning. On behalf of His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali, I would like to welcome you to the Office of the President, and more particularly to this, the swearing-in ceremony of 5 Justices of Appeal. In the exercise of the powers conferred upon him by Article 128(1) of the Constitution of Guyana, and acting in accordance with the advice of the Judicial Service Commission, His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali will appoint 5 prominent and competent judges to execute the office of Justices of Appeal with effect from today's date, the 21st day of May 2025, in the 56th year of the Republic. Those judges are Justices Davendra Singh, Navishwar Harnanan, Priya Sunarayan Bihari, Joanne Barlow, and Joycelyn Kim Kite Thomas. Please note that the order of which these justices are being sworn in is the order in which they were appointed as judges of the High Court. I now invite the named judges to take the oath of office in the aforementioned order, commencing with Justice Navendra Singh.
I, Navendra Singh, do hereby solemnly declare that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people of Guyana, that I will faithfully execute the office of Justice of Appeal without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that in the execution of the functions of that office, I will honor, uphold, and preserve the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. And I do so swear, so help me God. Thank you, sir.
I, Navishwar Harnanan, do hereby solemnly declare that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people of Guyana, and I will faithfully execute the office of Justice of Appeal without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that in the execution of the functions of that office, I will honor, uphold, and preserve the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, and I do so swear. So help me God.
I pray sooner I do hereby solemnly declare that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people of Guyana, and that I will faithfully execute the office of Justice of Appeal without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and in the execution of the functions of that office, I will honor, uphold, and preserve the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, and I do so swear, so help me God. I, Joanne Barlow, do hereby solemnly declare that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people of Guyana, that I will faithfully execute the office of Justice of Appeal without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and in the execution of the functions of that office, I will honor, uphold, and preserve the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, and I do so swear, so help me God. I, Joycelyn Kim Kite Thomas, do hereby solemnly declare that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people of Guyana, that I will faithfully execute the office of Justice of the People without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that in the execution of the functions of that office, I will honor, uphold, and preserve the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, and I do so swear, so help me.
On behalf of His Excellency, the President, and all who are assembled here, I would like to offer congratulations to the newly appointed Justices of Appeal. His Excellency, President Dr. Mohamed Irfaan will now offer remarks.
Thank you very much. Please. The Honorable Chancellor of the Judiciary, Chief Justice, the Honorable Chief Justice, our very honorable and distinguished Attorney General, newly appointed judges of the Court of Appeal, 60% of whom are women. 60% of whom are women. I'm happy that we continue to celebrate the extraordinary contribution of women in our society and the role that they continue to play in shaping our society into what will be an incredible future for every Guyanese. Members of the Cabinet, our DPP, members of the legal family, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. And of course, we have the members of the Judicial Service Commission, former Chancellor. Today I've administered the oath of office, appointing 5 new judges to our Court of Appeal. This event constitutes not only a significant moment in the professional lives of the appointees, but also a vital step in strengthening the institutional framework of the administration of justice in our country. The Court of Appeal, together with the High Court, comprises the Supreme Court of Judicature, an organ formally rooted in our Constitution. The Court of Appeal serves a pivotal role in reviewing appeals from decisions and orders of the High Court and ensuring that the law is applied consistently, judiciously, and equitably. In so doing, it contributes indispensably to the preservation of the rule of law, the protection of fundamental rights, and the maintenance of constitutional order. The appointment of these 5 eminent individuals, made on the recommendation of the Judicial Service Commission, reflects the continuing fortification of our judicial architecture. Their elevation comes at a time when the demand for efficient and expeditious appellate review is greater than ever. The efficacy of any legal system is closely tied to the timeliness with which it dispenses justice. In this regard, the expansion of the complement of the appellate judges is both timely and necessary. It will facilitate more efficient management of the appellate caseload and allow for a speedier resolution of matters, thereby enhancing public confidence in the judicial process. I extend my sincere congratulations to each of the newly appointed Justice of Appeal. Your ascension to the bench of the Court of Appeal represents undoubtedly one of the highest honors that can be conferred upon a member of the legal profession. It signifies recognition not only of your competence, but also of your character and the fidelity with which you have served the law thus far. However, with such distinction comes a heightened responsibility, one that demands the utmost diligence, impartiality, and fidelity to the Constitution and laws of the Republic. As Justices of Appeal, will be called upon to be arbiters in many matters of legal significance. Your pronouncements will shape jurisprudence, guide future adjudication, and influence the manner in which justice is experienced and upheld in our Republic. In the discharge of your exalted responsibilities, the nation expects that you shall at all times exemplify the highest standards of judicial decorum and ethical behavior. You're expected to bring to your office scrupulous attention to detail, objectivity, impartiality, and an unassailable integrity. Scrupulousness is essential in appellate work, where careful examination of facts and the precise interpretation of the law are paramount. Objectivity ensures that judgments are grounded solely in the merits of the case and the applicable legal principles, devoid of personal or extraneous considerations. Judicial impartiality is the bulwark of a free and democratic society. It must be guarded zealously and exercised without fear or favor. integrity remains the foundation of a judiciary that commands respect, legitimacy, and public confidence. Your judgments will resonate beyond the litigants before you. They will echo in our legal texts, influence policy, and impact the daily lives of citizens. Let your tenure on the appellate bench be marked by a commitment to the ideals of justice, fairness, and equity. Let your service bring honor to the court and inspire confidence in the administration of justice. Once again, on behalf of the people of Guyana, I extend to you my heartfelt congratulations. May wisdom guide your deliberations, and may you serve with distinction and honor in this noble calling. May God bless all of us and guide us in always making the right decision in the interest of all the people of our country. Thank you very much, and good luck in your new journey.